So I'm outside the World Trade Center path, and I just wanted to see the progress on Liberty Tower. And there it is. It's going up, surely but surely. It's a perfect day because it's cloudy, so you don't get the glare from the sky. Right now it's very overcast day, as you can see. It's very cloudy. Beautiful. And yeah, here we are, West Broadway. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I'm glad I'm here to be able to see them build it. Can't wait till it's finished. Curious to see what the path is going to look like. I guess we'll wait. We're going to have to wait and see. Right now that's the entrance. I'm sure it's going to be a lot different. Okay, until next time.